Oh, I'm unboxing this bracelet. Let's open it up. I feel like this should have been a better way to unbox this. Oh my god, it hurts. So there's one of them. Look, it's really nice. It's my favorite one. It's a tan color. It kind of goes with, well with the Starlight color and the Apple Watch and the iPad Mini. Well, I'm just put it on. It looks like on itself. It's really nice. Just put on the others. This is the other parts. It goes so well in the outdoors. I'm just put on some Apple Watch pens to match. The one that goes well is the Ruby Modern Buckle. I think that's what it's called. Or maybe the gold mini loop. Let's try them on. It goes so well with this band. Wow. Like the others, I don't think it would go with this. Like, just put it on anyways. So give me a minute.